Hi, this is Travis Rodgers. I'm here with Mike Silberis, the Chief Technology Officer for Glidewell Labs. Thanks for joining us, Mike.
Thanks for having me.
So Glidewell has an amazing reputation, a lot of buzz here in the industry and at the show here about Glidewell. You have an amazing reputation for being innovative in the dental industry. I know you have a lot going on. Update on what's going on with the technology here at Glidewell.
Oh, I'd love to do that. We've got a lot of things, a lot of great things going on. First, let's start off with some of the things we're doing to improve our process and quality. We've introduced micro CT scanning of impressions. We've introduced machine learning in the form of an advanced artificial intelligence. All of these things together are intended to increase the consistency and the quality of the products that we get out to our dentists, and of course, that increases the satisfaction of their patients.
Great. So those that don't understand kind of the concept of machine learning, what does that mean for dentists out there?
Well, essentially, our systems can learn from everything that we've been doing in our laboratory. So every case that we make, every good piece of feedback that we get, any negative that we get, it goes into our data collection systems, and then we train an artificial intelligence essentially to work along with our technicians to produce the highest quality and the highest precision parts that you can make. In fact, we just completed a year-long collaboration with the University of California, Berkeley. They are one of the top universities in the world in a specific type of generative artificial intelligence. And we are just moving that into some of our software systems now. We're very excited about that because not only have we achieved significant breakthroughs for dentistry, but actually any type of custom manufacturing application, this is a big deal, and even the university is excited, and they're publishing a number of papers around that. So we're very excited about it.
I love it. I love it. So with all the advances in apps and new technologies, what does that mean for Glidewell and the Glidewell customers?
Sure. Well, first of all, we've introduced three major initiatives this past year. We've launched our Glidewell IO system, which is an in-office chairside solution. We've, like I talked about, we've introduced machine learning, and that's a big thing. And we've also just launched our new zirconia product, Bruxer Aesthetic, that I'll love to talk about as well.
Great, great. So I hear a lot about one of the buzz here at the show is about this new case pickup button. Tell us about that.
Yeah. Well, that's another one of the innovations from our technology team. You may be familiar with the Amazon Dash button. Essentially, we are issuing these Internet of Things buttons to the dental office. All they have to do is just push that button, and in a matter of a couple of hours, the FedEx guy comes up, picks up your case. Drop dead simple. Love it.
Wow, wow, I love the one-click buttons. Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, definitely. So, last time we were talking about the Glidewell.io product. Give us an update on that and what that means for kind of the CAD/CAM environment as well.
Sure. Well, first of all, our Glidewell IO system is an in-office chairside solution. We intentionally worked hard to create it so that it would be compact in size and the lowest cost, and we've achieved both those goals. It's the smallest, lowest cost solution out there. But we have one very distinct advantage in that we are the only company that is able to mill a fully sintered zirconia without any oven processing time. We are actually milling it in its hardened state, and that is a difficult feat to achieve, and we're happy to say we've made that happen with Glidewell IO.
Great. Well, as a technology and being known as a technology innovator in the dental industry, I'm excited about everything that you guys are going and releasing into the industry and really innovating. Tell us about some of the basics. What about the Bruxer aesthetic product that you guys have as well?
Sure. So, we've made over 14 million Bruxer crowns to date. We are the inventor, really, of zirconia full contour restorations, and our founder, Jim Glidewell, issued a challenge to us and said, I want you to create the most beautiful lifelike material possible. And I really believe we've achieved that mandate. It's a beautiful looking restoration. It's got 850 megapascal flexural strength with no compromise to aesthetics. Yeah.
Love it. Love it. Enough said. You guys are the standard. Well, hey, Mike, really appreciate your time. Thanks for joining us.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me. Enjoy the show.